Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I am Vida and I'm back again with a new video. So today's video is about like a hair extension. I'm going to be showing you how you can put on hair extension and look pretty. So the hair extension I'm going to be reviewing and showing you is this one. I actually bought it from Rosary Garden Kins. So this is like a little sneak peek of my hair extension. If you want to see the complete video, then stay tuned. I'll show you how I put on and how my hair looks like with hair extension. So yeah, keep watching. Hi guys, so let us get started with my video. So the first thing I want to quickly tell you about is this hair extension which I'm going to be using. The thing I'm going to be talking about this in this video is this hair extension which I bought from Kins Glitter. I actually bought it from Rosary Garden. I'm really sorry for the distractions, but anyway, we'll continue. So yeah, I bought it from Rosary Garden Kins, as you can see, and I'll show you the extension inside. Oh, I'll just take it out in a minute. Before that, I will talk about my hair real quick. So the first thing you want to do is like you need to straighten your hair if you're using like straight hair extension, and after you straighten your hair you need to brush it really well. I straightened like few hours back. I did not do a lot of like straightening just because I sweat a lot and my hair becomes wavy after some time, so that's the reason I not. So my hair becomes really wavy after some time, so I not straighten a lot because I wash my hair every 3 days, once in every 3 days, because I sweat a lot. And this all looks like, okay, I did not put up a hair serum today, so I'm gonna do it now. This top is like, anyway, so this is the hair serum I use. The hair serum I use is this one. This is by the brand L'Oreal, and I'm gonna pick up a little amount like that, and I'm gonna just rub on my palms and then put it all over my hair like that, so I can have that smooth soft hair. I do it every time I straighten my hair or wash my hair. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna put a little more on the other side. So this is how it looks like now. It's a little less tangly, so I'm gonna brush real quick. I bought this brush from Amazon, if you're wondering, and this is how my hair looks like now. So now my hair is all ready for extension, so let me get started with the extension now. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the extension and show you how it looks like. I need to be very careful because it's like synthetic hair. So this is how it looks like. I love this hair extension. I'm gonna quickly brush it. Oh, I should not brush with this. Like when I bought this, the ladies told me like you should not brush your hair like the synthetic hair. You can use this white tooth brush comb, or your fingers would be fine. So yeah, this has like a lot of fallouts, but anyway, this is how my hair extension looks like now. I'm gonna keep it down. So now I'm gonna do it quick. Let me just quickly do my parting. So I'm gonna just pick up like the hair like this, and yeah, it's ready. I think this is super high up. Should I go? Okay, no, it's super high up, so I'm gonna just pick up a little more hair on both sides. So you should not do your extension super high up, because when you do straight parting you can just see that you have hair extension on. That looks really ugly. So yeah, this is fine, I guess. So now I'm gonna take this hair and simply twist it, make a bun, so it can be like out of the way. This lipstick is pretty dark. I shouldn't be putting on such lipstick, I don't like it. So anyway, I was about to apply like lip gloss, but then I remember that I need to do a hair tutorial. So lip gloss is not a good idea if you're doing hair, because it sticks really bad. Like all the hair falls over my face, and then it's gonna be a little sticky. I think I did a proper section. Yeah, maybe it's not really proper, I guess, but then it's fine. I'm gonna just do it. Okay, so now, okay, I'll just turn back and show you if you can not see like that. Okay, so I'm gonna just like use these clips and just simply put them like this, and then clip it, snap the clip up like that, and also this side. how well the job I did. I'm not sure how it looks on this side. It's like let me check out with the mirror. This is like off. Shouldn't be up right here. Okay. I cannot fix it. I'm gonna clip it right here. So guys, this is how I clipped in my hair extension. I'm not pro at it. This is like probably my first time doing hair extension. No, I think I already done it once when I bought it to try it out. But officially this is like my first time, so I'm gonna mess up a little bit. But anyway, this is how you usually clip your hair extension. So what you're gonna do is like you're gonna do really proper parting, and then you clip this hair extension in like this. They have like snap clips, so you can just snap them when you put on your hair. And the next thing what you do is like just release your previous hair and then make it fall over the extension, if you can get what I'm saying. So yeah, that's what I said, like when you do your extension super high up you can actually see through this, but now I did a little lower so you cannot really see that much, but I can still feel that I have extension right here. I'm not really sure if you can see it or not. Okay, I'm just gonna do like that. Okay, now it's time for brushing, so let me brush it quick. I'm pulling out the extensions. Let me just use this brush. Anyway, so I did this middle parting and this is how it looks like. And oh, my hair, my extension hair, let me show you that. If you can see, I'll show you. I'll move back and show you the complete look, but then let me show you how it looks in the front. So it's all the hair is in the back, so you can also buy like a little clip-in hair extension and clip it in the front, because if you're buying a blonde hair, like blonde extension like this, then it'll only be seen in the back. So if you want something to be seen in the front, then you can just go ahead and buy clip-in hair extension, that the small little wefts, they cost about like 150-200 each weft, so you can buy 2 of them. You can attach it on either side of your head. That would be really nice. But anyway, this is how the hair looks like. I'll just move back and show you, and also I'll be posting pictures of this hair on my Instagram, so definitely check on my Instagram. I'll have my handle right here. So anyway, let's move on to the complete look of this hair. So guys, now I'm gonna just turn back and show you how my hair looks like. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see well. Okay, what's wrong? This is how the hair looks like, you guys. So that's how the hair looks like. It doesn't look like it's blended really well, just because of my wavy hair on the top. I got that waviness with my clutcher when I clipped up. But anyway, you can just straighten your hair and then make it look nice. But for today I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna just bring my hair to the front and show you like this. So it looks really nice. It looks really long. So this is how the hair looks like. If you pull it in the front, you could just do a little exercising on the head in the front, would look nice. So yeah, this is how it looks like, you guys. And let me bring this hair too. You can also do like a lot of hairstyles with it, like you can just pull them back and just put a clutcher like this. I don't know how messy my hair looks like in the back. I can't really see. But you can just put on a clutcher, you can do ponytail. So you can also do a lot of stuff with your hair, like you can just bring all your hair to the one side and then braid it, just braid, or like do a ponytail, would look nice. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Please let me know in the comments how you like this video, and also please let me know in the comments if you want to see more such videos, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.